assure the best service ever and take care everyone who come and visit Andaman.
Perlok lingba kani ke video ngakwa ban YouTube EP bagani kadi kasin ka baar ka bangayo ban yu kejat hapo Andaman Ngan. Ila ban i ke video ke jongi kat sabangi lej ngajudan ye ke perlok ke jonga ke baju ya tray ringkat bat kani ka kam ka banga tray ha kani ka travel business mentala kumba khalai snem ye. Tekumta ngakwa abaya kaban pin itu ye fi menta kasngi yakini ki perlok ki jonga ki be trailang way ubade hapo haflok but way ude hapo pot blair dengan kwa ban pensilur ye pi ba fenyai pet iki video ki jongi but haba fidan kajeng pan jengmut ha kabade ba travel sngo ba ban contact yangi bangila ban betul nanti pi. Hi friends, through this video I want to give a special thanks to Mr. Naru, who is a person who really take care of us here in Haflok. Without him, I think my journey in Haflok will not be so good. So thank you so much, Mr. Naru. So a little bit about our trip. I would like to brief that we came here without thinking so much of a plan, but after I met him, I hired a scooty from him, and then he booked a slot for the scuba diving, and he take us to the ticket counter for Elephant Beach, and he have done lots of things to make us feel so comfortable to stay here in Haflok. So Naru, you just explain a little bit आप अपना नाम बताइए और इसके बाद आपका क्या काम करता है वो इंडिया में आपको जानने बहुत ज़रूरी है. I feel very happy to meet him because he is the one who really understand how helping people is so important and how helping tourists who come in Haflok, he is the right person. I want to congratulate to him and आप थोड़ा बताइए.
अगर आप लोग अंडमान में आना चाहता है तो मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट कीजिए, ठीक है. इधर आपका जो सरसद्वीप है ये आइलैंड के बारे में आपको सब कुछ बता देगा मैं. इधर घूमने का क्या क्या है क्या क्या नहीं है सब कुछ बता देगा आपको. इधर आने के बाद आपको रूम चाहिए तो रूम भी मिल जाएगा, स्कूटी मिल जाएगा. अगर आपको कार चाहिए कार भी मिल जाएगा. काइकिंग, स्कूबा डाइविंग, एलिफेंट का सब कुछ कराते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. तो हमारा नंबर रहेगा, आप नंबर में कांटेक्ट कीजिए, ठीक है. और इधर आने के बाद आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. आपको जिम्मेदारी मेरा है, ठीक है सर. कोई अगर आना चाहते हैं अंडमान में तो मेरे साथ कांटेक्ट करके आइए, कोई टेंशन नहीं है आपका, ठीक है. तो आप लोग कोई अगर आना चाहता है तो मेरे साथ एक बार कांटेक्ट कीजिए जरूर, ठीक है.
So Naru is my friend. I have known him since 2019 when I first time came here. So he is the one who designed my tour. He is the one who helped me, especially when I am in Haflok. I feel at home. I enjoy the trip just because of this guy. So anybody who come to Haflok, I will share the contact. I will share his personal details in the comments below. Kindly plan your trip with Naru. So only these few words. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Hangni pede perlok ngalai kendo ya uni Sarthak Lal ubalawan man ai ko ble yanga sya bangan mi no na airport na popot blair kadai kasngi ka bakadu yanga uni ude Samla ubaju take care ya ki tourist ki banga Phah na po Meghalaya ban le jengo ya ka Andaman Ngan de kaladan kajing ya trai ringkat patu na du snam arhajar kar kendai hoat kadan kajing ya suthu hakrogom ya trikam bat kawai kalong nga khamshani ya u kadai ba udai ukna lokal te kumta perlok lada fidan kejengmut malika japo Andaman sngo ba ban contact ya ka travel solution jungi bangila ban ai jengmut ipi kenang ba ka jenglek jungpi kan ka bas sngo tenat bat ka basa jingkena.
Hi friend, my name is Sarthak. I am from Port Blair, Andaman Ngan. I bought and brought up here. I'm so glad to introduce myself to you, that I have been in travel business many years. I met Sir Alphon since 2019, since his first visit to Andaman Ngan. I take care of him here. Since that time we became good friends and our connection stayed till today. Sir Alphon is the one who really inspired me to start his business. since he himself had his own travel company by the name of ABK Travel Solution in Shillong, Meghalaya. So Alphonse Berth, he is like brother to me. I'm so glad this time in 2025 January, he came again to meet me, and many suggestions and ideas that he gave me, which is very productive. We are good partners in travel business, and I hope we continue this journey long way. I promise that any individual, couple, group or family members who come to Andaman through Sir Alphonse, I will assure the best service ever and take care everyone who come and visit Andaman. We will assure that the best rates and best itinerary for everyone and create a best memory that will last forever. Please visit Andaman Nicobar by choosing our service. Thank you.